In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps to use in this view and launching both in the background. When you finished, you need to open background apps, decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Then hit split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both of them at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and tap on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!